So here's how you can put a background in the Microsoft Teams using your Android phone. So let me show you exactly how you can make that work. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Essentially, you can open up the meeting of your choice or just join an existing one, create a new one, whatever. Just be part of something, and then you will have the ability to pick and change some settings for it. Right, so you are joining in on the meeting, and in the bottom section you have the ability to click on the camera, which is going to turn it on. But when you click on the three dots for more options, you can manage some different things like start the recording, and the captions might be enabled, but you as well see the change background, and by default it's going to be turned off as a feature, but you have the ability to click on blur, which is going to blur the background behind your face, or you can pick from the existing ones or some of the prepared options, like the office or space looking one, whatever. So there are some nice high quality prepared options, but you as well have the ability to click on the plus button, which is going to pull up your gallery. And if you have a specific image stored in your phone, which you want to use as the background, you can as well just upload it inside of the app, and it's going to make sure that this is what's behind you during the video calls. So this is a popular choice for a lot of people. So if you found this video helpful, just let me know about that below in the comments. You can just hit the thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads.